Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I've discovered an amazing new AI tool called Nano Banana by Gemini. So if you create products, photos, or ads or thumbnails, this app will save you a lot of time. It transforms ordinary product pictures into high quality visuals in seconds, giving you studio quality results powered by AI. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Nano Banana, the best features to try first, and some tips for achieving professional looking results. So what exactly is Nano Banana? Nano Banana by Gemini is an AI app that automatically creates product images. You don't need expensive equipment or Photoshop skills. Simply upload a photo of your product and the app uses Gemini's AI to remove the background, adjust the lighting, and place your product in stunning realistic scenes. Nano Banana is also free to use at gemini.google.com. Just make sure that the top left corner says Gemini 2.5 Flash. And for this video, I'm going to use skincare product photos with the backgrounds removed. It's like having your own AI-powered creative studio, and you can use it for online stores, reels, thumbnails, ads, or social media posts to give them more premium look. So this is how to get started. First, you need to open the Gemini app, or you can go to the Nano Banana workspace in the Gemini Labs depending on your device, or you can simply type in gemini.google.com in your web browser, and this will take you to this kind of interface where you have to first log into your account. And now you can either type a command in this box over here, such as create a product or create a product shot of skincare bottle with a minimal white background and soft shadows. Hit enter by tapping on the submit button over here. Now this is going to generate a product shot of skincare bottle for me as per the prompt given. Here you can see that the product image has been created. Or you can also upload a photo of your product taken with your phone. For that, you need to tap on this plus icon over here that is indicating add files. Now tap on upload files, or you can also add it from your drive. Go ahead and select the image that you want to upload. And you can write a prompt such as generate a photo with a hand holding this product and make a beautiful color background with the high quality output. Then hit and submit. You can see that the product held by a hand with a colorful background and a high quality image has been generated. And tap on this 2.5 flash in the top left corner of your screen. And make sure that the fast all round help 2.0 flash is selected. Now tap on this tool option over here and you will see the create images, which is just below the research. Go ahead and select that. Now let's try uploading another photo of a product taken with a phone. And once uploaded without a background, I'm going to give it a prompt like Rose skincare bottle with a tiny water droplets, dewy glow lightning, beach background with a smooth texture, clean editorial style, premium brand photography look. Alright, so now let's go ahead and submit this prompt with this product over here. Now once uploaded, Gemini analyzes this automatically, and then you will see a photo according to your prompt, and this is where the Nano Banana shines. One of my favorite features is Gemini's contextual editing. For example, you can say make it more like morning sunlight is hitting the product and is realistically adjust the lighting. And submit. If you create thumbnails or Instagram visuals, you can also export your image in high resolution or as transparent PNGs for further editing. And always remember to follow some instructions for best results. Always use clear photos so that the cleaner the input, the better the AI output is. And always write the prompt as if you're describing it to a designer. For example, road peptide glazing fluid on a bathroom counter near a mirror, morning sunlight hitting softly, minimal props like towel and glass, and calm luxury aesthetic. Or if you're using any other product or scene, always describe like white background, floating look, soft shadow, centered composition. And try using lifestyle scenes like on a marble table or next to a coffee cup to make your product more real and relatable. If the result isn't quite right, just hit regenerate and Gemini learns quickly and improves the next version. You can even create sets of product images for an entire product line, giving all of your bottles or jewelry pieces the same vibe and color tone. So, if you're a content creator, a small business owner, or online seller, this tool is like having an AI assistant for your visuals. You don't need to rent a studio, hire photographers, or spend hours on editing. Gemini's Nano Banana does it all quickly, consistently, and beautifully. So the best part is that it's still new. So early users get to explore fresh templates before everyone else. So that's a quick view. So here are a few tips for using Nano Banana to improve your product, e-commerce, and branding images. Make sure that you remove the background or change the background of the product photos. For example, make the background pure white or replace it with a clean studio style backdrop and enhance the lighting and shadows to create a professional look. You can add soft, neutral lighting, remove the harsh shadows, or add subtle reflections and generate different views of your products, such as front and side, or show it in various styles, like in a lifestyle setting or on a marble table. And keep a consistent look across all the product images. Upload a reference images and ask Nano Banana to match the style. If you need high resolution images for printing, check the output size and any limitations of the AI model. Be aware that the generated images might have digital watermarks, so make sure that you're allowed to use watermarked images for commercial purposes. And always check the images for any imperfections like rough edges, artifacts, or distortions, especially around the product edges and fine details. If needed, you can adjust your instructions or regenerate the image. Now let's try for another product, which is an energy drink. So you have two options. Either upload a photo of your existing energy drink can or bottle, or create a new energy drink product using AI from the text description. So if you choose to create a product from scratch, you can try the prompt. A sleek metallic energy drink can, a black and silver with neon blue lightning graphics, condensation drops, realistic 3D editing on a reflective surface, and hit enter on your keyboard. Nano Banana will generate according to your prompt. And once you have the image, you can refine it by entering new prompts. And here are some examples. You can write like add dramatic lightning from above, making the background black and smoky. Let's enter this prompt and see the output. Here you can see the output. Now let's refine it by entering another new prompt like show three cans together in a premium ad setup. You can see that the image has been created, and now let's place the can on the ice cubes with the water droplets. You can see this amazing output over here. Nano Banana understands natural language, so describe the mood, lightning, and overall vibe. And you can also try the prompts like replace the label with energy logo. Let's hit enter to see the output. And now let's make the background a gym environment with neon lights. This helps you create a complete and campaign look. And when you are satisfied, you can go ahead and download this picture by tapping on download full size option in the top of the picture. Use the refine for print prompt to improve the image quality for printing, and you can add text or logo overlays later using any photo app like Canva or CapCut. Or you can also upload your own brand and give it a prompt like energy drink can on a glossy black reflective surface, top-down light, cinematic glow, water drops, ultra realistic 8K. Hit this prompt. But if you want to go for luxury ad vibe, you can add the prompt like can levitating mid-air surrounded by electric blue light streaks, fog in the background, premium product ad. And here you can see the output. Always remember to use descriptive words like realistic, cinematic, 3D render, and moody lightning. Keep your prompts short but specific. Nano Banana understands context well. Always zoom in to 100% to check for small distortions and regenerate the image 2 to 3 times. Gemini often provides different artistic interpretations each time. All the results I generated in this video was nearly perfect, and I'm really impressed. This model surpasses current image models. A comparison between Nano Banana and ChatGPT shows a significant difference. So Nano Banana's result is almost perfect, while ChatGPT struggles to get the label right. So that's a quick review of Nano Banana by Gemini. Pretty amazing, right? So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you'd like me to test more Gemini tools like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.